Guys, I thought I'd give you just a little bit more detail on this Jack Frost doll that we've just created. This is the latest SculptBox that we got finished up for January, and he has hand-painted eyes and his head is jointed so he can move it all around like that. His body is wired so you can pose him into different poses and such. I did not attach his staff yet to his hand because I think I might just pose him and then just sit the staff in there rather than attach it, but you could do either. He's got all this frost on his jacket, and then his pants are like just the ones that look a lot like the ones from the movie. They were really fun to make. And he's got his little bare feet that are a little bit frosty looking and some bluish hue to his skin. So anyway, he's a handsome guy. He was fun to learn and to create and put together. And he can be posed, he can sit, whatever you would like to do with your doll. So just wanted to give you another look at him. It's nice to learn to sculpt the male features and also how to do male hair. And this hair is actually some more of the Angora. I have some that has a little bit of silver from one of our bunnies. So he's got a silver white thing going on here. And I might try spraying some glitter or something in it as well. It's always fun to keep touching him up as you go. Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a peek at some of our latest projects and ones that are great for this time of year. Here is the Jack Frost that we just got finished up, and you can see he's just kind of sitting, kicking his feet out, holding on to his staff. So he's pretty fun, and you can see how he compares in size to our Valentine clown. There she is, and she's a great one to do around Valentine's Day. We also have a new Valentine project coming up in a day or two for you to see. And this one is really fun. She's posable. She's got some super cute shoes. She was a really fun one to make. And then I wanted to show you some fun ideas that you can do to set up a little Easter display. So right here, I just have a basket that I've put some eggs into that are just, I got at the craft store, and just kind of showing our bunny baby, the new version that we've created, and also these cute little mini babies that are posable, and I've figured out a cute little bunny ears kind of outfit that she can wear to make her a little bit more Eastery. So that's coming up, teaching you how to make that. And then also just adding some cute little bunny ears to any of the tiny little babies. These babies are just the sculpted face, and then they're bundled up with a blanket. They stay in the blanket, and so they're a quick thing to be able to sculpt. Anyway, they can be sculpted rather quickly, and it's just a cute idea for a nice little gift for Valentine's or Easter. You can just decorate them with hearts or ears or whatever makes you happy. And then also this time of year, it's pretty fun to, as spring starts to come out, to make these little flower pixies that we have. And they've got a cute little outfit. This is a great beginner project where there's not much sculpting skill involved, because since it's kind of more of a creature, it has a lot of forgiveness and leeway about how you can sculpt it. So anyway, I just thought those were kind of cute and fun to share with you. So I hope that you enjoy that, and I hope that you will really like the new little doll that's coming out right away.